Downers has a very long-term commitment to this program. We started it 5 years ago, but with the last 2 years we've engaged with PCYC and Blackwater. So it's a long-term thing for us, and we appreciate the assistance that we get from PCY to run it.
How important to Downer is it to have this program?
The program with the PCYC is extremely important to Downer. We have a commitment to diversity on our site, and this program assists us to meet those targets.
The partnership came together back in 2016. Downer were new to town as a contractor out at BMA Blackwater mine site. They approached the PCYC with an idea for a Indigenous pre-employment program and wanting to know if PCYC would partner with Downer to get the program up and running locally.
What are the main benefits of the scheme?
The benefits are immeasurable to us. Because we have a commitment to diversity on our mine site and to the local community, we really require this program to meet those commitments. It's the support from and for the community, so people that are employed through this program are local and they expand their lifestyle within the town and the community. The investment that Downer has put into the PCYC is not just financial, hiring Rachel to run our program, but also it's a time commitment because we have people from site that go in and participate as well in the program. So it's really important.
We do majority of the training here at the PCYC. We have different sections of the program that we cover. We start with interview techniques, resume writing, cover letter writing. We go through to healthy life choices, professional and personal development, as well as building strong communication skills.
My name's Lisa and I've been at Downer for 1 year now this month. I started with the program, doing the 6-week program through the PCYC, which I thought was a great opportunity because I didn't think there was any other way that I could get into the mining industry. My role at Downer is a production operator, which means that I drive the dump trucks, and we just take the dirt from the digger and dump it off at the dump. Rear dump 565, leaving the go line, heading down to excavator 36. Moving to Blackwater to get involved in the mining industry was a big move, but doing the program between the Downer Mining and PCYC was a great opportunity because it made it a bit more less frightening, and it was good because they gave you good training so you knew what to expect when you came out to the mine site.
They gain a better understanding of what working in the mining industry is all about. Throughout the whole program, Downer attend every day that the program's running to give insight into the mining industry. We also incorporate site visits. So before the applicants offered a position, they fully understand what they're getting themselves into. We go out on the mine site, we'll sit in the dump truck and go for a ride around, meet other employees and have face-to-face chats with them, and they can talk to other production operators to see what they think about the job as well.
So once the trainees have completed the program and we've onboarded them, they become part of our team. They're integral to our production every day. We have them throughout our business. We have them in maintenance as well. We've had assistants in our health and safety team. So they really become very important very quickly. So the program is a onboarding pre-work ready type program, and once they actually come to site, they don't have an end date like a normal traineeship. So they come on, they get fully trained up and they become part of our operations straight up. So they don't leave us, hopefully.
My part in the program is I go into the 6-week program the PCYC holds, and I just go in and just be a normal guy and talk about the mining and what they got to expect when they get out here, and just give them a bit of an inside run before they actually get their jobs and start their traineeship.
So I've been with the company for 8 years now. I started as a truck driver, slowly worked my way through. They made me a trainer assessor. So now what I do is we start with the trainees, they do a course in Yeppoon through the PCYC, and it's good because I'm able to take them from when they finish their course. I take them out on the site. I do all their truck training with them, and a bit of mentor them through it, show them the ropes, try and teach them as much as they can about the industry because it's a bit foreign to some people, and it's a tough industry to adapt to. You know, longevity in this industry it's not easy.
Oh, it's a great opportunity to have. I mean, 7 or 8 years ago, it was a lot harder to get in the mining game. You have to pretty much know someone to get in. I highly recommend it to the other candidates because it is a small Blackwater, small town community, and it gives the younger generation a shot at making a career and better their life.
When the program first started, Downer kindly and generously sponsored a youth and communities worker, and we were fortunate enough to employ Rachel in 2016 to help us with our multiple programs here we do at the PCYC. Sometimes we see kids around Blackwater through our jobs, whether we're going to a call for service or whether we see kids during everyday interactions with the community. Sometimes kids need a helping hand. Sometimes they need to be pointed in the right direction, and to put them in touch and in line with this program that Downer's actually operating, to see the skills that they develop is sensational. We still have relationships with people who have gone through the program, and to see them at the next stage, you know, some people are buying their houses, nice cars, supporting their families, and they've got great relationships and connections with the local community.
So, you know, going for the program, being on the mine site, so what's that mean, the change in your life and the opportunities for yourself?
Yeah, it's like, I can't even explain how it's an honour, like, honestly, the opportunity that PCYC has given us and continue to give the community, it's just, you can't thank them enough, because you're set for life, you're able to get the things you want, and yeah, just save, like, I've got goals like buying a car and buying a house, and it feels like those goals are achievable easily out here, and not only with the money but also the career development as well.
And so it's opened up larger opportunities that you could go onto other mine sites or into other, you know, build your career from there.
Yeah, sure has. Like, eventually I would love to end up over in WA in a gold mine or something as well, so it's something to look forward to. Yeah.
So Downer Blackwater's Indigenous employment rate is currently 8.4%, which meets the Downer, it actually exceeds the Downer targets as the whole company. So our site is doing really, really well.
Tell me about the investment that Downer has put towards PCYC Blackwater.
Downer has committed previously $100,000 over 2 years, which has enabled us to employ, or PCYC to employ a youth coordinator. But we've just committed another $50,000 for another year because the program is so important to us. We want to continue.
I think it's a really wonderful opportunity that Downer have given PCYC and our local community, the changes that it's made in the participants' lives. It's really exciting for me to watch. I get them from the application stage. Sometimes I actually need to go out to the vehicle, and because Mum said my son or my daughter would like to apply, and I'll go and have a chat with them out in the car. They're a bit too shy to even come into the PCYC and have a chat with a stranger. Going through the program, I tend to build a bit of a friendship with the participants as well. I also offer assistance with other programs that I have running here to help the participants to sort of transition into that bigger, better life of full-time employment. It's also very exciting to see participants that have been on the program and out working for Downer for a certain period of time. They may have been able to afford a new car, and some even actually have purchased their first home. We have a few single mums as well on the program, and it's great to see them thrive and the children doing well, and they've got a lovely house and a new car to drive, and just really giving a bigger, better future to their family as well.
The opportunity that I gained from doing the PCYC program and with Downer has been great. It's changed my whole life. Giving me a better opportunity to, you know, live a more fun-filled life. You know, I can go out and do more things, and yeah, it's just a great opportunity financially and just lifestyle. I'd definitely recommend it to other candidates. It just gives them the opportunity to get into the mining industry, because it's always thought of, you know, it's really hard to get into mining, but doing something like this makes it easier, and you work with a lot of great people with a lot of experience.